GlobeX Data is a leading Swiss-hosted secure communication and data management company. And with me, CEO Alain Ghiai. So great to see you again.
Thank you, Jane. Happy to see you, and hello to our viewers out there.
Yes, and you have been so busy lately. Let's start with a big piece of news, as you just had a capital raise. So talk about that.
Yes, we're very excited because we announced the closing of a capital raise of $4.5 million. We're actually going to be close to 10% above that, which is fantastic at a price. So it's about $4.85 million US. We basically had a couple of mini institutions and high net worth individuals from all over the world. We got 90 subscribers, and these are very good shareholders because half of them are already subscribed in previous private placement. They believe in the direction of the company, and they're very happy with the direction that we're taking. And this is kind of the last, I'm going to say, retail private placement that we're going to do in Canada, because moving forward, we're planning to do more institutional raise. Most likely, I would say it'll come from the US. So this capitalizes the company very well. We're going to end up with about 7.3 million US dollar in the bank. We have no debt. And we announced as well that we have a budget of $2 million US for next year in advertising of our product. Obviously, and this year we opted to $750,000 US for the rest of the year. As you know, we're doing a lot of marketing.
Yes, I do. And I definitely want to talk about that. Let's start with the Newsmax. So that's kind of a big marketing spin that you're doing there. Tell me about that.
Yes, so Newsmax has been very good to us. You know, always appreciate the support that they've been giving us, because we have our Secure show now on Newsmax, and we used to have it every couple of weeks. So from September onward, we are going to have 80 commercials. These are 30-second commercials about Secure, and it's got our domain name and our ticker symbol. So you both know what we do as a product, and also that we are publicly traded. We have a lot of our customers that want to invest and support us. We get a lot of compliments saying, hey, we want to support you because you're doing something great. You're bringing privacy to us in the US. So we're going to do 80 commercials, 30-second commercial, all around prime time. So the Greg Kelly show, the Wall Street Wrap, morning news, things like that. And we're going to have the Secure segment, which is our segment about privacy and security. There's going to be a new segment every week. And eventually we're going to bring other people on the panel, maybe guest speakers. And it's basically going to be about, you know, the hack of the week. I hate to put it like that because there's one every day. So we'll have a lot of choice and select which one we're going to talk about every week. Also about how to protect yourself, get more privacy. And of course, we're going to explain how Secure works and how we can improve and, you know, save people's identities. So far, we've saved, you know, well over 1,000 identity theft by people buying our product. And I think identity theft can cost up to $30,000 by the time you're done, not to mention the emotional distress that can cause, which it's bigger than a financial cost, of course.
Well, absolutely. And just the time it takes to fix it. I mean, that's time you could be doing something more enjoyable. So, well, that will be really interesting, those panels. So, and I have been seeing your ads. So I've been seeing them on Fox Business, CNBC, and the New York subway system. So I feel like you're really starting to penetrate the New York and the American market.
Well, New York, for us, I mean, for many people, New York is a center. It's one of the centers of the world when it comes to business and activity. The U.S. is one of the most powerful economic power in the world, and New York is the center of that. So we decided to really support New York in a major way. We hire agencies in New York. We provide jobs in New York. We have now 200 electronic panels in over 6-7 subway stations. You mentioned Fox Business News and CNBC. We have 116 30-second commercial that we split between those two. And Newsmax, being from New York, we're throwing our weight behind it and our support. We do have our U.S. subsidiary headquartered in New York. So New York is going to be the center focus for the growth nationwide. And all these channels, and we have people from Australia that watch Newsmax that suddenly buy the solution and they tell us they saw it on Newsmax. So Newsmax is a big part of our branding, of course. You know, this is a great channel for us. And we're going to continue with CNBC and Fox Business because this is the business aspect of our company that we'd like to promote as well.
Well, I'm always happy to see your ads because we've been talking for a few months now, and it's great to see how Sekur has evolved. And now, you know, I'm seeing you in the US. So
thank you, Jane. I'm looking forward to hopefully come in the next few months in New York and see them myself. We have a ton of shareholders that tell us that they see the ad because they take the subway every day. Everybody takes the subway. You know, you got your CEOs and your employees and just everybody. It's like it's like the veins of the city essentially. I mean, you can't do anything without the subway. So I'm very happy that the branding is propagating, and looking forward to see you in person hopefully before the end of the year.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much, and look forward to our next conversation when you can update me on the latest developments.
Thank you, Jane, and thanks everyone for watching us.